In this lesson, we're gonna learn how to simulate a flag using enclosed. So make sure you open the scene called flag start. So let's select the plane and let's go to enclosed and let's click on create enclosed. And now if I go ahead and play the animation, nothing special is happening, just the cloth falls down. And now let's right click and choose vertex. And I want to constrain these vertices to the column. So let's hit shift and select the column and let's go to end constraint and let's click on point to surface. So what this constraint will do will constrain the vertices to the column. And notice in the outliner I have new node called dynamic constraint. So now if I hit play, the cloth falls down. And as you see, there is intersection. So let's convert the column to passive collider by going to enclosed and let's click on create passive collider. And now the cloth should collide with the column. Great. So now let's say we want to push the cloth on X and apply a wind on it. You can select the enclosed and you can use the fields and solvers like the air. But I want to go to nucleus and I can go to wind speed and let's change that to 30 and make sure the wind direction set to 1 on X. So let's hit play and see. As you see now, the wind pushes the cloth on X. And notice how we have too strong stretch on the cloth. So we can go to enclosed shape. We can control the stretch by increasing or decreasing the stretch resistance. So let's increase it to 100. So now we get less stretch on the cloth, as you see. Another problem with the cloth, notice how it feels like it's very big, right? So we can go to nucleus and if I scroll to the scale attributes, I can decrease the scale of the nucleus. So if I set that to 0.25 for example, now the closed simulation will behave a little bit faster. So now let's hit play and see. As you see, now we have more natural result. And notice how the clothes falling down, right? You can increase the wind here, but we can do another trick. We can go to enclosed shape 1 and if I scroll down, you'll notice we have really cool attribute here called input mesh attract. So what this will do will make the cloth match the original shape of the plane. So if let's hit play and show you, let's go back. And now if I increase that, as you see, the cloth is going back to the original shape, as you see. If I increase it too much, now it doesn't fall at all. And really this is very, very useful attribute. So let's set it to 0.25. It's good. And let's go back. And here you'll see we have the compression resistance, and from the name it's obvious it's about the compression. So if you increase this value, you will get less compression on the cloth. But we don't see the result because we don't have too much compression on the cloth for now. So let's leave it for now. And we have the bend resistance. So if you decrease that, for example 0.02, you'll get more bends on the cloth. So we are going to continue in the next lesson. See you.